Morning Toronto. It's Meredith Shaw with you here on Breakfast Television. Getting into the spooky spirit with these fun, monster, healthy Halloween recipes. Yes, it's possible. Joining us now is corporate wellness nutritionist Jessie Langley to share these easy ideas and to offset some of the candy in the treat, right?
That's
right.
Good to see you too.
I'm so glad that we're talking about this because we were just speaking before we started. It's all candy talk in my house right now. So much candy. They want to amass the candy, eat the candy. So we got to get them interested in other things. And you've brought really cute ideas.
Thank you.
I love these apple monsters.
Okay, we're gonna make them. That's where we're gonna start.
Okay, fun.
Okay, so these apple monsters, great snack for kids. Get them in their bellies before trick or treating, so they have something to help with all that sugar, right?
That's a good idea. I love how you did these. I mean, they look so cute because that's what kids do, right? They eat with their eyes first.
Right.
So it's got to be fun. So we're gonna make these. Or I'm gonna make these.
You're gonna make them. So you can pick up that little apple. I've taken a green apple. And quartered it. Cut a little wedge out.
Okay, over the middle. Okay, so that's gonna be your mouth.
Yep, and then you're gonna fill that with, I put sunflower seed butter today, again thinking school safe, but you could use almond butter, peanut butter, whatever your favorite butter is. Nutella. Oh,
that could be good. It could be good. Okay, I'm following along because I follow you on Instagram, so I'm going to see kind of how this all happens. Right, strawberry tongue. How cute is that?
And then there's little eyeballs.
Oh, the eyeballs are already sticking to me.
Yeah, they're a little sticky.
Okay,
so you could use, for a more natural one, I do it like a dark chocolate chip, but the eyeballs are just too cute not to use.
Oh my gosh, how fun. And then you have little sunflowers for teeth if you want them. They'll get all spooky and teethy. And this is great because there's so many nutrients in all of these, right?
That's right, yeah, there's lots of fiber in there. They still get that sweetness of sugar. There's a healthy fat and protein in these sunflower seed butter. So it is a nice way to snack after school snack or like an appetizer at a party.
I love that.
You could just squeeze a little bit of lemon on the apple so it doesn't brown as quickly. If you're gonna have it sitting out.
Yeah, on a tray or something like that. I mean, thinking, like, I love that you use the nut-free butter because, great kind of Halloween snack for kids at school, even getting involved. Okay, so this is a little bit more savory.
A little bit more savory.
But that still works for the Halloween theme.
Yeah, so these are my Frankenstein stuffed peppers. I make these in my corporate cooking class. That's all about Halloween, holidays, a really fun like virtual holiday party situation. You take a green pepper and then you cut out a fun face. And then stuff it with whatever you want. So for kids, I like to do like a rice, sausage, tomato sauce, safe ingredients.
Yeah, smart.
Kids are really picky.
Yeah, very picky.
But for an adult with a more elevated palate, you can just stuff it with anything. Throw them in the oven. A little bit of cheese on top is really nice as well.
And you cut these up because this looks. If I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh, is this complicated? So doing the face, it's a little paring knife.
Yeah, a little paring knife.
Raw pepper.
Oh yeah.
I'm asking the questions you're asking at home, right? It's like you cook the thing first. No, the raw pepper, and then is this a little? What's the arms? The pretzel stick or something?
Pretzels, yeah. So these little pretzel sticks. You don't have to do it, but they're just so funny.
It's so cute.
You can also do it with an orange pepper and make it like a jack-o'-lantern, like pumpkin face as well.
Love that. Okay, and obviously, I mean, the nutrients in peppers and stuff.
This is such a good like pre-trick-or-treating meal because, again, we're getting fiber in there. The fiber slows the digestion of all of that sugar our kids are about to consume.
Yeah, smart. Okay, so we've got the pre-meal, we've got a little cute snack.
Yeah.
And now we're going into, is this your matcha monsters?
Yes.
Now, how are you going to get my kids to eat matcha?
That's the thing. It does have caffeine. So maybe, depending on their age, not so much.
Got it. Good morning there.
But this is great for adults because it has the caffeine, it has so much antioxidants, and it has L-theanine, which is really amazing for us. And I've made it with coconut, almond butter, coconut oil. Nice. Yeah, try one if you like.
Cute.
I put little eyeballs on them.
They feel like it's almost like a little, little donut.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. I'm a personal, I love matcha, so for me, I only put a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten.
So what's the sweet? Yeah, I was gonna say what's the sweetness?
Yeah,
maple
a little
syrup.
bit of maple syrup.
That's it.
Yeah, and you just stick it in the blender, blend it all up, stick it in the freezer, bam, and you can keep them in the freezer. So you can eat them from frozen. They don't get really tough and hard.
This is a good thing to take to work too, right? A little energy ball.
Oh my gosh, yeah, for breakfast.
You feel that kick for sure.
Midday, yeah.
Now I know you're big on classes, both things you do online, but also with an attended person. You want to tell everybody about those?
I would love to. So right now I'm running free online cooking classes actually. So no matter where you are in Canada, you can tune in. If you go to my website right now, there's one on October 22nd where we're making my spider deviled eggs. Super cute deviled eggs. We make a little spider out of olives. So much fun. So on my website, jessielanewellness.com, you can register. I'm running them monthly for a limited time. So I'll keep you in the know.
Healthy, delicious. It's all the stuff that we need. Jessie Langley, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
I love saying her name too, right? Jessie Langley just flows off the tongue. Make sure you follow her on all socials and make sure you join us next year on BT because we're celebrating Drake. He is celebrating his son's Adonis' 7th birthday with a SpongeBob